In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to build an app with Base44, AI App Builder. We'll start by opening the Base44 app builder in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean workspace where you can either create something from scratch or jump into a ready-made starting point. Base44 is designed to let you move fast, so you can describe what you want in plain English and let the builder do the heavy lifting. If you want to build from the ground up, look for the prompt area and type a clear, detailed description of the app you have in mind. Explain the purpose, who it's for, the key features you need, and any important behaviors. The more specific you are, the better the initial result will be. When your prompt looks good, send it to build your app. Base44 will generate a working draft that you can refine afterward, saving you a lot of setup time. If you prefer a head start, click on Apps to browse existing templates. Templates are fully functional examples that you can customize. This is a great option when you see something close to what you want and would rather adjust than start fresh. Pick a template that aligns with your use case, knowing you can improve it, swap components, or fine-tune the logic later. As an example, select the template labeled Ludo. Opening it will load a preview where you can explore the layout, pages, and features already configured. This gives you a clear sense of how the app behaves before you begin editing. Inside the editor, navigate to the chatbot section. Here, you can tailor how the chatbot works, including the website or source it should reference. Replace the default website with the one you want the chatbot to use, then click Send to apply your changes. This updates the chatbot's context so it responds according to your chosen source. Take a moment to verify that the adjustments look right and that the responses match your intent. When you're satisfied with your app's structure and behavior, it's time to publish. Look for the publish option and click it to make your web app available. Before finalizing, give everything a quick review. Scan your pages, skim the content, and confirm that the main interactions feel smooth. Publishing will package your work and make it accessible, so this final pass helps ensure a clean first impression. That's it. You've seen how to build from a prompt, how to pick and adapt a template, how to adjust a chatbot source, and how to publish when you're ready. With Base44, you can iterate quickly and keep improving your app as your needs evolve.